Hi, this is the third training video for the NRS website. I'm going to run through now the teams, how to manage the teams and the writers of in their respective teams. Okay, so let's start with the teams. Under team, so you go team here on the side menu, and you've got a list of teams. Okay, so this is basically this. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is basically create all the teams. So I'll give an example how it works. Here will be the team name, so let's say ABC team. Okay, select if it's a man or women team. It can be both, but let's say it's a man. And you can have a profile photo. Okay, so you publish. So the profile photo, let me just save it so I explain to you how it works. So once you create a team, the team will show here. Okay. All right. Then you have, when you click, so you click on the team, you go to the team page. Okay. Right, ABC team. So you have the background image and the logo image. So they are here. Okay. Let me just pick up one logo here to show. So I'm just going to pick up this logo for this exercise. Okay. So that's this one. The profile photo, and then you have the cover photo. Let me just pick up something for the cover photo. Let's just say we use this one. Okay. Let's just say. Okay, that's the cover photo. And then you also have, and perhaps maybe we'll do the same. Okay, so I want to hear your feedback on this, but you also have the feature image, okay, which perhaps can be the same. At the moment it's all flexible, but maybe we can make it the same for ease of use. Okay, so basically this is the feature image. Then you go in. So this is the feature image. So it's what you see on the list. This is the profile, and this is the cover. Okay, so profile, cover, and the one before is feature. Maybe we can do feature and profile the same, or maybe we can just leave like this and give you full flexibility. Okay, so I've created a team. Okay, the team description will go in here. Let's test. Okay. Okay, so the team blurb, what we call team blurb, will show here on the banner. Okay. Now the last thing we need to go through is how to add the writers. Okay, so how do we add the writers? The writers are users in the system. Okay, so we're gonna come here to users, all writers, and that's how we add. Okay, so you can see here the writers and the team that they are part of. Okay, so I can view only one team. So let's say only show me Benelong team. Computer, you're only going to show me the writers from Benelong. Okay, the reason why we do like this is because later on this is already presetting the functionality for them to be able to log in on the front end. Because for them, by them being users, it means that eventually they can log in into the system, okay? At the moment, that functionality doesn't exist, but it is already built that way, okay? So I'm gonna show how to add a user and what's enabled now and what's not enabled now, okay? So when you create a user, first of all, it's a writer. So the road is not a member, is not an admin, is a writer. That's very important, okay? Then you pick up team. So you see as you create a team in here, it will display in there, okay? So the ABC that I've just created, that's the one we're using it as an example, yeah? The username, normally I would say I would do the first name of the writer dot the last name, so to be unique, okay? But for this one, let's just do a test. So let's do the ABC. Let's do writer 1, okay? Ideally, you do first name dot last name, no capital letters, no anything, okay? Email address, when they are required to log in, we're gonna have to allow require an email address. At the moment, we don't have, so you don't need to enter the email address. Then you enter the first name and the last name. Don't worry about the password because they can't log in at the moment, okay? So don't worry about those two. You can upload a photo. Okay, same story, pick up from the library, drag and drop. Let me see if there is a face. Let's pick up him for this exercise, okay? So insert, photo done, blurb, that's the description, okay? It's a test blurb, so you can see what it shows. Where he is located, so, okay, date of birth, weight, you know, whatever you want, 7 kilos, height 6, age 28, specialty, whatever you want, climbing. The Facebook URL, just copy and paste here. Okay, so for the moment, I'm just going to do this so you can see how it works. Facebook.com. Okay, but ideally you put the Facebook if you want to. It's not mandatory. Okay. Then you add the user. Okay, so user writer 1 on team ABC is added. So if I refresh, done. Okay, writer 1. Spot on. Click on it. The modal is not coming on. Let's refresh again. And a pop-up should appear with their individual details, okay? Which there is a bug here that I'm going to fix. But you're going to see a modal that's going to open up. That's going to show the respective details of that particular writer, okay? Of this particular writer. And then you just basically continue. Second one. Writer, select the team that they're part of, fill in the details, save. Next one. So that's how you add the users, okay? When we allow them to log in on the front end, they will be able to, with their email and password, change their name, change their blurb, change their location, change their weight, age, etc., etc., okay? But at the moment, we are entering, okay? And the photo, if you don't upload a photo, we're not going to have a photo for everyone in the beginning. It's just going to show this avatar, okay? So basically what you need to do, I think at this stage will be select the team, put a name, a last name, and probably that's it. But if you have more information, upload as much information as better, okay? So that's how you manage the teams. The teams you manage in Teams, in admin, sorry, in Teams. So that's where you create the teams. And then in Writers, they're the users that you allocate them to the team using this drop-down. And input the details in here. Okay, so I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.